In real estate, there's a very thin line between enhancing a photo and distorting reality. And this, believe it or not, might happen when you're just simply changing from a cloudy day photo into a blue sky photo using AI. Why? Because sometimes when you're adding a blue sky to a terrace, and where the original photo is a gray sky, you might be adding like lights from the sun that physically, due to the orientation of the property and how the solar system works, the light will never touch there. And this is a problem because you might be selling a reality that is not when you're just trying to make your pictures look more pretty and more professional. We fixed this problem with Pedra by adding a new option in our sky blue menu. When you open the sky blue menu, you'll see the option to add sky blue, and then you will see the option to add sky blue without sun reflections. In this way, when you know that in this property, in this orientation, light from the sun will never hit, you can always pick that option so you can get a beautiful sky without distorting reality. And as a bonus, we also added two more options: the option to show the picture at dawn and the option to show the picture at sunrise. This is super useful for those luxury properties in the countryside when you just want to show in the listing how that experience of living in the property in a summer night or in a summer morning would feel like. And it's super simple to use. You just upload your pictures to Pedra and then you select one or all, and then you click on Edit with AI and you click on Sky Blue. And there you'll find the four options that I mentioned: blue sky without reflections, dawn, and sunrise. And I'll just click all of them quickly and I'll show you the results. As you can see, it's super realistic. Like, you cannot tell that this was not shot like this, and it works great to show your properties as professional as possible and as appealing as possible. If you want to present your listings with professional impact without compromising reality, you can use Pedra.ai for free today, and you'll get a few credits to start getting amazing pictures.